I purchased this item at bevceramics.com. Step 1 is to prime and base coat your piece. I primed it in Kimple's primer and then base coated it in an acrylic white. Using Kimple's ebony, cover up the fruits and vegetables and the letters with ebony. Using your rag, pull this back. I'm going to pull back more all the fruits and vegetables and the baskets and the leaf. And I'm going to use my favorite product to do that, Americana's Drying Time Extender. On a clean part of your rag, put a little bit of it on, rub it in, and then just real gently start touching it, and as soon as it touches it, it's going to help it start pulling it back. And so then you switch to a clean part of the rag and then just keep working this. This is what it looks like pulled back. Next, coat the entire piece except the vegetables in Kimple's walnut, and then using your rag, pull this back. And it's a lot of color to pull back, so just hang in there and be patient. So this is what it looks like pulled back, and using that Kimple's ebony first, it's going to create really nice deep shadows around here. You can see it. Here's a good example. Here's a really nice example. Using Kimple's Topaz, paint the inside of it full strength, coat the entire inside of it. Using a rag, pull back. Using Kimple's Ruby on a Q-tip, just gently rouge these apples. Using Kimple's Evergreen, paint this squash here, and then also go ahead and paint this entire leaf. And using your rag, pull back, go crossways on this one so that you leave color in the cracks. Yeah, I'll finish up the rest of the leaf later. Using Kimple's yellow on a rag, just going to brighten this up, brighten up the edges. Just go over it. Same on the leaf. Catch all the corners. This is what it looks like with the after putting the yellow on, and yellow is such a great highlight color. Just ends up turning out very beautiful. Using Kimple's Tangerine, paint the pumpkin, put it on full strength. Using your rag, gently pull back. Using a Q-tip with Kimple's Yellow, just very gently highlight the pumpkin. Using a clean Q-tip with yellow, highlight or rouge the flowers and the corn. You don't want to paint it on because you don't want to lose the black in all the crevices, so this you want to be sure to rouge it on. It's a very small area, so a Q-tip is going to work best. Using Kimple's Blue on a Q-tip again, rouge these berries over here, and then switch to the clean side. And this is what the finished piece looks like. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope it inspires you to try out the Kimple colors. Thanks for watching.